Netcall, which does has their sort of like iconic Liberty software platform, which I think serves all call centers of probably financial institutions, again, in sort of insurers and stuff like that. How do you see this one going forward? It's I think it's in terms of contact centers, where that growth, that secular growth is going to come from for it.
I think this is a business that has evolved massively over the last few years. We've been a long-standing shareholder, we've been the largest shareholder in Netcall for a number of years, and it's evolved itself from a number of point software solutions into a genuine platform that is able to plug in incremental sort of capability and deliver that quite seamlessly to its customers. And the key markets, you mentioned financial services, insurance, that's one. The other is UK government sector, so local authorities and NHS trusts. And whilst you might flinch and think that it's not a great sector, the government doesn't have loads of money, it's a difficult procurement sort of space. Actually, the company's just been delivering very strong performance in that sector. And the reason is because they have a really easy to use plug and play setup that helps its customers automate business processes to drive efficiency. And there's one thing that the sort of both the NHS and local authorities need at the moment, it's efficiency in running their services so that they can make what money they do have stretch further. So the company's got really good traction there, and it's got really good referenceability. Typically NHS trusts and local authorities, they do tend to follow each other, and there's quite a close-knit community. And where someone has implemented something that is demonstrably giving them a really high ROI, they talk about it and people notice, and that's been driving sort of referrals and therefore additional wins in that space. And as you said, also the insurance space is not dissimilar to ActiveOps, and the story there is that they're enabling business processes to be automated, and that drives efficiency. And again, AI plays a part in that, and it's the kind of huge buzzword everywhere, and there's gigantic amounts of investment going into these sort of generative AI models, but they're still going to be pointed at something in order to actually drive efficiencies or build other benefits for end users. And Netcall is a great platform through which AI can be implemented into some of these organizations that desperately need efficiency. And the government are keen for government agencies and entities to deploy AI, but they probably don't really know exactly how to do that themselves. Yeah. So a company like Netcall can handhold them into doing that and offer them a platform that enables them to effectively build a business application really simply with no coding required and actually deliver tangible savings quite quickly. So another one, we think big market opportunity, great platform, and accelerating growth rates.